Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your email in Doordash. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Doordash application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, where do you find Doordash? Now you can find Doordash in your Google Play Store or Apple Store, or you can even use the web application using any browser of your choice. Now, once you sign up and sign in successfully, that's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in DoorDash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. How do you change your email on DoorDash? Remember, when you were signing up, you were asked at some point to enter your email. So let's say something happened to the email, you can no longer access the email, and you changed your email and you just want to effect the changes in DoorDash. Here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see three amazing icons. First is your account icon, which is very close to the notification bell. You're also going to find the notification icon and you're going to find the cart icon. So all you have to do at this point is to click on your profile icon, and that's going to take you to the accounts window. In this window, you're going to find a lot of options. Do not be confused. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So here I have profile, Doordash rewards, get USD, payments methods, addresses, save, notifications, video setting, and just a lot more. Now, if you want to change your email, guess what you're going to do? Go ahead and click on profile. Now, once you click on profile, that's going to take you to your profile window. And here you see first name, last name, country code, change password, log out, and there you have email address. Now, when I was signing into DoorDash, I did not use my email address. I used phone number. That's why you see this email address has not been activated yet. But if you were asked to add your email address and you use that, of course, I used my email address, but then it wasn't verified. So if yours was verified, you're definitely going to find it right here where you have email address is going to be activated. As you can see, that's my email address there. It's already shown there, okay? But now, it's not, you can see right here that you cannot really click on that box, okay? You cannot really click on that box because it's not clickable. Do you get that? So you can click on it. So right here in this account info, it's trying to let you know that, oh, as of 2024 February, you cannot change your email address in this window. All right, but there's another way you can go about that, right? You can head over to FAQ, frequently asked questions, in this window. So just click on that and you're gonna need to talk with the help desk. You're definitely going to let them know that, hey, I changed my email and I want to effect that change in DoorDash. I cannot get around with it in the accounts window, so just quickly help me. That's what you're going to tell them, by the way. So here I have customer support. Now click on customer support and it's going to provide you with a few options, 3 options precisely. So go ahead and choose chat with somebody in DoorDash, something like that. They're gonna definitely show you. Let's check it out. Now it says visit help center and then say chat with us in DoorDash app, and that's what I was trying to remember. So go ahead and click on that. So chat with us in DoorDash app. I'm using this option because it's pretty much easier for me to access them, all right, using this option. So right here we have type message. So in that box, go ahead and let them know that you want to change your email. Be very sincere, be very specific. Let them know that you want to change your email, and they're going to connect you with a chat agent. Now that person is going to walk you through the process of changing your email. All right, since you cannot do that directly in the application. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.